Hello friends, this is Veronica from House of Cid. Welcome to my channel where I make videos on coffee reviews, coffee recipes, and all things from the wonderful world of coffee. And guess what I'm doing today? Guess what I have? Coffee. I want to do an unboxing for you, just show you really quick some of the coffees I just ordered. I did order 2 sets. I ordered the Vertuo and the original, and I think I got some fun little gifts in here, so I just wanted to share with you and show you some of the new coffees that are recently released from Nespresso. So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, let's start with this one, the little one. Let's start with the little one. See that? So these are the boxes that Nespresso sends you, if you weren't aware. Okay, so let's get into it. So I did order, like I said, 2 separate orders. Every now and again, you'll get emails from Nespresso with promo codes for different free things they give you. So they had a promo for the original line, if you ordered original line capsules, and if you ordered Vertuo. So I said, hey, let's make 2 different orders and get 2 promos. It comes pretty well packed, just like that, in case you were wondering. Here we go. And I think this promo, you had to order a minimum of 9 capsules to get the gift. And they had another separate gift for, I believe it was 9, 12, 15, 20. So depending on how many capsules you order, they have different promos. So these are the capsules I ordered. And I'm just going to go over it really quickly. And then I'll show you my gifts. I'm going to go in here and start. I ordered some of the new Lungo World Explorations. I ordered the Stockholm Fortiso Lungo. And that's what that looks like. I ordered the World Explorations Vienna Lungo, Vienna Lenizo Lungo. Haven't tried that one yet. I'll put those on the side over here. I ordered more. This one I have already tried and I really liked it. The World Explorations Buenos Aires Lungo. And if you guys haven't watched my video on this one, go watch it. I'll leave it in the link. I'll leave the link in the comments, I should say. The Tokyo Vivolto Lungo from the World Explorations collection. That's the one I ordered. I have so many copies, so many reviews to do. Also, let me know if you want me to do reviews on all the coffees, because I definitely will review them, because some of these I have never tried myself, so definitely want to make reviews. Shanghai Lungo. So this is another new one that was released about a month or so ago. That's the one I got. And then I got the Cape Town, another one from the World Explorations Lungo, World Explorations Cape Town. And that's what that one looks like. And then I got this one is from the Master Origins collections. It's another one I have not tried yet. It's Indonesia. And then I got another one I have not tried. I actually never even seen it on the website before. It is called the Capriccio. And it is a espresso, intensity 5. Have my attention, Capriccio. And a new one that I am going to be doing a review for you guys, brand new, just released, Master Origins La Cumplida Refinada from Nicaragua. And that is what it looks like. So yeah, this is what I got. And then for ordering all of these capsules, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, 9. For ordering these 9 capsules, I got, samples. They usually always give you samples. So I got samples. And this is what the little sample box looks like. They usually give you 2. And sometimes they have 2 different varieties of samples you can order, either from the original line or the Vertuo. And my free gift, which was, I was very excited because I've been hearing good things about this, is some Cantucci cookies. From what I've read, they're kind of like biscotti, but not as hard. So crisp almond cookies, 10 crisp almond cookies, Contucci's. So yeah, this is what I got for the original line. So I'm excited to try some of the new coffees and definitely excited for the cookies because who doesn't like a treat with their coffee? I know I do. Always got to have a little tasty to go with my coffee. Okay, so that's what I got. Put this away over here. Now let's open up the what is this? Vertuo. This is my Vertuo setup. Vertuo order, I should say. And I guess I live pretty close to one of the warehouses because I ordered on, when did I order? Tuesday night? Wednesday night? Tuesday. I ordered Tuesday evening and I got it by Thursday morning. So that's pretty good order. And my delivery person always comes super early, 6:30 a.m. I got my order, so I was happy about that. Okay, so let's dig into the, whoa. And don't forget when you order, make sure you order your recycling bags. I have a video too on how to recycle your capsules from Nespresso. So make sure you watch that. I'll leave you a link as well. And these are free. So when you order your coffee, make sure you add a bag into your order. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this one I did get a free gift. The promo was when you order at least 5 or 6, I believe, Vertuo capsules, you get a free box of Stormio. So this is one I have not tried yet, so I'm very excited. So when you ordered, I want to say 5 or 6, I don't remember. I'll put it in the description. When you ordered a certain number of capsules, you get a free box of Stormio. So I said, sure, why not? I haven't tried it. So I have Stormio. Mexico, I ordered more Mexico. It was out of stock for a while, but now it's back. So 2 boxes of one of my all-time favorite, Mexico. I ordered, where is this? Melozio is another good one that I like, medium intensity. Another one that I really love, and I ordered 2 because, again, it was out of stock for a while. Colombia, from the Master Origins. So the Mexico and Colombia are from the Master Origins collections, and they're really, really good. And again, I did a video on my 5 favorite capsules. These were some of them, so make sure you watch that video if you're interested. And Costa Rica, I had never tried Costa Rica, and the last time I ordered Vertuo coffee, I got some, and it's really good. I really liked it. It's Lungo. So it's a smaller size coffee, but it's really, really good. One of my favorites from the Master Origins. And another one I never tried, and I said, you know what? It's time to try all the coffees from Nespresso. So I ordered the Audacio. So let me know in the comments if any of these are your favorites, or if you have other favorites that I haven't talked about on the channel that I need to try, because like I said, I have not tried them all yet. I've tried a lot of them, but not all. So this was my order. And then I ordered the Cumplida Refinada, the Nicaragua coffee. This one is Master Origins as well for 2021. And I believe this is going to be permanent, not a limited edition. But again, whenever there's new coffee, order it right away if you want to try it, because like I've said in my other videos, it sells out. People want to try the new. So this is La Cumplida Refinada. So they made it for Vertuo and they made it for original wine. So yeah, this is my order. I'm excited to do more review videos for you guys. Let me know in the comments if you are an Nespresso owner and if you have the original line or the Vertuo line. And yeah, let me know which one's your favorite coffee, because like I said, I haven't tried them all. So I definitely want to try as many coffees from Nespresso as I can. And I will be making videos. If you want me to do review videos on them, more recipe videos, let me know in the comments. Let's chat coffee in the comments. So don't forget to subscribe and make sure you give us the thumbs up on our videos if you like them. And yeah, share our videos with your friends, with your family, with the world, especially if they love coffee as much as we do. So I'll see you guys next time for some more cafecito. Now I gotta go find where to put all my coffee. Okay guys, I'll see you later. Bye.